asparagus.
Listen, coronavirus has changed everything. You're actually looking at the asparagus and making sure you're peeling it. Maybe use a pinch of sugar or a little bit of milk just to counteract that bitterness. I tried to use a very fruity olive oil. Grab a couple pieces of lemon peel. For at least a couple hours, let it dry. But I think what's really important to note is since it's more springtime, I like everything to be vibrant. And then cut it so that way they're all straight. But mine is actually really sweet and delicious. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. Whatever flavors you're gonna put with it, you know, they can't overpower the flavor of the white asparagus. I go to put the seasoning on, it won't cover this asparagus. The asparagus on one side, I'm gonna do the halibut on the other side, and then I'm gonna do sauce in the middle, and I'm gonna finish with a little microgreen, and then we will enjoy. So for people at home, listen, I think it's really important, I can't stress this enough, get a thermometer. Don't guess unless you are a trained professional. Just get a thermometer. Here's the finale. There it is.
That's